Hi Big Bulls, welcome to Trade with Comali. Today we are going to see about index like Nifty, Sensex and Sectorial indices. Also we will see what is heatmap and terms like capitalization. So don't skip this video. Please do watch it till the end. If you haven't watched our stock market basics video, please do click the link in our description to watch it. Mr. Bull, in news channels, daily we see news like Nifty went up today or Sensex was down at the end of the day. Can you explain about this?
In last video, we saw that there are two stock exchanges, National Stock Exchange, which is also called as NSE, and Bombay Stock Exchange, which is also called as BSE in India. We have also seen that in those stock exchanges, many companies are listed. The top 50 companies in NSE are termed as Nifty 50. Nifty index is derived based on daily price movements of these 50 stocks listed in National Stock Exchange. Likewise, Sensex is derived based on daily price movement of top 30 companies listed in BSE. If these indices are green at end of the day, market was positive and Nifty or Sensex would have went up that day. Similarly, if these indices were red at end of the day, then market was negative and Nifty or Sensex would have went down. That's what we see in our daily news about market.
What's all about this green and red color in this picture?
This is what we call as a heat map.
What? Heat map? I know only the map sheet which they provide in the geography class.
In all markets, we have a heat map chart. With the help of heat map, it will be easy for us to identify the bullish and bearish stocks in live market. Let's say if a stock is highlighted in green, then it is bullish at that moment. Similarly, if it is highlighted in red, then the stock is bearish at that moment. Seeing heat map, we can quickly pick the stocks to trade in live market.
Okay, now I understand Nifty and Sensex. But as you said, Nifty we have 50 companies and Sensex there are 30 companies. So total it's like around 80 companies. So where are the other companies?
Actually, companies which are listed in Nifty 50 are also listed in BSE top 30 companies. So in common, we have a total of 50 companies which contribute to index on daily basis. Other companies also there, but they are all listed in different indices like mid cap and small cap.
Is that a monkey cap or detective cap? What is the relation between stock market and a cap?
Cap means not the hat thing which you wear on to your head. Short form of capitalization is cap.
I've heard about Alsatian dogs and all, but what is this capitalization?
If you multiply a stock price by total number of its shares, then we will get the market capitalization value. Based on this market capitalization value, stocks are differentiated into small cap, mid cap, and large cap. Nifty 50 companies will have always large cap stocks.
Okay, if we take an example of a gift shop owner, you will have some categories like toys as fast selling product and then followed by showpieces as moderately sold and greeting cards as least sold. Can I relate this in such a way?
I'm okay if you understand it in any way. Also, other than these categories, we have sectorial indices based on business sectors. For example, companies which are based on banking business will come under banking sector, and the name for that index is Nifty Bank. If you see, Bank Nifty is one of the most liquid indices in the world with a huge volume traded every day. Likewise, companies involved in auto business will come under Nifty Auto, and IT business based companies will come under Nifty IT. To say few examples for each index, we have banks like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and other banks listed in Nifty Bank sector. TVS Motor, Tata Motor, Bajaj Auto. So auto related companies will be listed in Nifty Auto. In FMCG, we have companies like Britannia, Marico, and a few other companies. Recently, DRDO also, along with Dr. Reddy, came up with a new medicine for COVID-19. Like Dr. Reddy, we have other pharma companies also like Sun Pharma, Biocon, which is listed in Nifty Pharma sector. And as you all are familiar with IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and other IT companies will be listed in Nifty IT sector.
Okay. If you go to a supermarket, there will be separate sections like fruit section, vegetable section, meat section, beauty products, and so on. So they are listing in that way based on the business sector.
Yeah, you are correct.
Okay. So thanks, Mr. Bull, for providing us with wonderful information. And thanks to all our viewers who have watched our video till the end. Soon we will meet you in another informative video. Until then, it's Tata bye bye from Mr. Bull and Mr. Bear.